Emojis are without a doubt one of the best and funniest way to express ourselves. And we know that Apple is going to introduce iOS 18.2's Genmojis, but this will take some time and it has some limitations. But now in iOS 18.1, things are about to change forever because there's this new emoji feature that will absolutely blow your mind. You can now create emojis from any image. You can create stickers. You can get emojis from other platforms. It's absolutely amazing to use this feature, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that in iOS 18.1. Let me show you how to do this yourself. Okay, so before we start, we need to make sure that our iPhone is running iOS 18.1. So to do that, if you haven't done this already, you need to go to settings and then you scroll to general, and in here we go to software update and then make sure to have iOS 18.1 or newer. I'm running the beta of iOS 18.2 here, but don't worry, it's just iOS 18.1, which is publicly available for everyone right now, and you need to make sure that you're running that. You can also check that right here in your about section, iOS 18.1 or iOS 18.2. Alright, so let me briefly show you what I mean and how you can send any emoji to friends and families, to whatever you'd like. So you go to your messages as an example, and let's say I want to send custom emojis. So yeah, as you can see here, I've sent different emojis here. I've sent a Iron Man emoji, Coca-Cola, different iPhones and sushi. Yeah, it's really nice to have these. But yeah, everyone can actually send these, and let me show you how to do this yourself. So first we need to search our images that we want to transform into custom emojis. So let's start with something simple here. Let's, for example, search for a Starbucks cup. We just type in Starbucks and then go to images. We could, for example, take this cappuccino cup. We just long press it to save it, save to photos, and then it's saved to our photos just like that. There it is. And now what you can do is we can go back to our messages, and in messages we click on the emoji icon in the bottom left, and we go to stickers and we click on this plus sticker icon here. So just right there. Then we hit our image set. So this is the new emoji we're going to create. We add this sticker, and just like that, it's going to be added and transformed into an emoji. So let's say I'm gonna send something to a friend. So let's go to the keyboard, coffee today, and then we can take our new made Starbucks emoji just like that. It's being added and you can send it. How cool is that? That's absolutely amazing. And you can also do this with any other emoji. So for example, there's this really cool emoji website that lets you make AI emojis. So if you go to Google and search for AI emojis like that, it's the AI Emoji Generator, and actually already thousands of people have created emojis. You can generate your own, but you can also just take from people that already made them. So let's say, for example, we want to have this heart, light pink heart, and let's say we want to create this light pink heart. What we can do is we can just take a screenshot, but you can also download these, but then you need to create an account, which I'm not really into right now. We click photos, there it is, and we go to the photo and we can just make this a bit cleaner, maybe easier to make a sticker out of this, just like that. We hit done, there's our sticker, and now when we long press it, we can make it a sticker. So we click on add sticker. It's going to be added to our selection of stickers, and that means that we now can use it as an emoji again. So let's go to our messages, then we type, for example, love you, and then we want to add our little pink and new heart, just like that. We send it, boom. So there are no limitations anymore with how you can share emojis. I mean, this is an amazing new update. I actually didn't expect to come in iOS 18.1. It was all about Genmojis, but yeah, as you can see now, there's so much more that's possible. So let me show you some other examples that you can use as emojis. So if we go to my Photos app on another iPhone, you have this churros, sushi. Like, the possibilities are endless. If you're more into the superhero kind of theme, of a Spider-Man one. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful. Make sure to follow me, make sure to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.